want to share with you a couple of necklaces that are going on the shop, and please grab them while you can. This one, again, I did find it in a charity shop. I mean, I don't get why they're trying to charge you the earth for them, but I managed to get a little bit knocked off. But it's beautiful. All of those can be cut and used individually in your flowers. So that's going on the shop as well. And then I knocked lucky. And you know I'm always looking for the crystal necklaces. I have to say, this one is stunning. And it is vintage. 3 rows. There's the clasp. It's absolutely beautiful. The AB Diamante. Perfect condition. There's the original vintage clasp. And you can tell by here. So that just slots in to the gaps. Yeah, I've done it. And then it leaves you with the most glorious crystals. It was sunny today, and I came out of the shop and I looked at my sisters, and look, it gleamed. The sparkle was amazing, absolutely amazing on this necklace. And it's in the shop for sale. Now, if you want to buy your mum or your gran something extremely pretty, vintage, mint condition, then you need to run along to the shop and grab this while you can. Look, crystals, genuine vintage jewellery never loses its value, ever. Never. And when you see necklaces of this quality, even though this one isn't stamped, but you can tell it's a genuine one, and it's got the vintage clasp on, you know, these are super crystals. And you just don't waste. Grab them while you can, because they'll always keep the value. Okay? So if you're interested, run along and grab that while you can. We don't come across some of this quality that often. The last one, I think, Catherine, did you buy it? I mean, it was absolutely amazing. And I think that was a 3-tiered one. They are expensive. I have checked online what people are selling them for. But you haven't got this quality, and you don't have the original vintage clasp. And there were a lot of money, some of them. I've seen some really cheap ones, but when you look at them close, and I do because I buy and sell them all the time, you can tell when they've been made to look old. And you know, they're selling £20–30. But a real genuine crystal necklace of this quality, you unfortunately have to pay the price, and I will pay it to buy it in, because I know the quality of the beads and I know the quality of the necklace, and it's just, it glistens in the sun. It's just beautiful. So yeah, it's in the shop. So whoever owns that, a very lucky person. And I'd have it myself, but I already have 3. I keep finding certain ones, and I keep some of them myself, because I've got granddaughters, you know, and they may not want them, but there'll be an investment for them to buy them and sell them on. I've got a large lid from a Christmas box. Why, you may ask? because I've put a box of goodies together. I've just gone through everything I have that's Christmassy, and I've put a box full of goodies together, and it's going up on the shop for sale. I've only got the one. It's a one-off box, but I'm going to show you what's in that box. So here's the box. It's a big box, as you can see. It really is a big box. So it's a good 6 inches. Oh, but I might be fine. Let me just check. I'm going to check it for you. I don't want people calling me a liar. So let's have a look. From there to there, it is a 6-inch box. I'm quite good at my measurements. And it's chock-a-block full of goodies. So I'm just going to put it to one side. Well, I can't really put it to one side. We'll do it that way. And I'm going to go through and show you what you have. Now, I only have this one box, but I do have another red box that I'm going to use for another Christmas kit, but not quite as big as this one. So let's get going. Now, I managed to find some of these beautiful, they're like velvet flowers. And there's 1, 2, 3. They are Christmas flowers. Like that. So you've 3 of those. You've got one of these you can take apart. It's on a card. And it's all twisted ribbon. Coiled ribbon, should I say. So lots there for you to take apart and play around with. The other box I'll have same as that, and the same flowers as well. Then I've got, I think it's 1 or 2 of two of these. They're like little cones and baubles, but they're all to do with Christmas. And then I found a bag. It was in a charity shop, and it had loads of cut appliques. So it must have been somebody who was doing something from a top of something. And look. So I thought I'm going to share some of these as well. They do need cutting out. They're as I bought them. 3 nice big leaves. So you've 2 lots of those and 2 big flowers. So they go in as well. Now, what I'm going to also add something into this kit, which is a pumpkin. And you're going to say, well, why a pumpkin for Christmas? Easy. Because there's some fabric in it that I want you to be able to play with. And why not? Let me just get this. Sorry, I'm climbing over things on the floor at the moment. So there you go. I'm going to put that in because if you split down there and use this fabric, you can have a Christmas pumpkin. Now, this has come from... So you get the pumpkin as well, and we do sell them. They're £1.50. It's come from the skirt of and it's never been used. It was brand new in a packet, but I thought it'd be great to do the pumpkin with. And there's plenty there to make flowers with as well. So it's just a cut off section from the skirt of what goes around the Christmas tree. And it was, you know, new. So it's not been used. So a nice big piece of that to help with this. I found some stickers. Then I found this from last year, which we didn't use. But you can use all of these up yourself in your project. Plus, you can take the headband and make something with that afterwards. I found one of these. Now, only this one's got this in. The other box set hasn't got one in. Some gold trimming. Some silver trimming. That one is 6mm. This one's 8mm. There's about 1 metre of each. Oh, there's 3 of them. Sorry. Down there. Then, oh, there's a wooden sleigh. A wooden sleigh. A deer with a coil that can go onto something. A mini hat that can be hung from somewhere. Oh, a mini cane. These were what I made last year. And then we've got a whole necklace of those. One of those for your candle that goes round a big candle. Now, a pencil that you can hang something on. The wire's already there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful big red velvet bow. A metre of the silver glitter. And a metre of the red as well. There is only a small strand of red beads, but it's better than wasting it. 3 polystyrene hearts that you can decorate and do something with. Oh, and these 3 beautiful metal bells. Where are they? There's one. And there was another one somewhere, I'm sure there was. Yeah, there we are. On velvet ribbon. So that's those. Some velvet ribbon. About a metre of that, maybe more. Oopsie-daisy. It's all one kit. Some red berries. Loads for you to play around with. And some lights. It's a leaf, a garland. Lights. You just need the batteries. And then, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. That can go. Hang on. And then in, oh look, I've got one of these, a diamante clip. It says Christmas. A selection of lights, baubles. Some bells. Where are they? Sorry. Oh, that's it. Stuck to it. So a selection of those for you to play with. Then we have some of these, which are the glittery baubles. They're them like little foam balls. And then I did find these as well. Some red wired Christmas beads. A miniature cane, sorry, that way, and a little miniature Santa, one of those with a bell on. So I think as well, let me just look, because I'm almost sure I've got some other bits now. Yes, in here I'm going to include 6 of these ruby red leaves. So you've 6 of those. 1, 2, 6 of those. Now, hang on, because I also had, if I remember rightly, oh, we can put 6 of these in, can we? Let's have a look. Yeah, I think so. I think we've got plenty of these. 6 of those. And I have some genuine gemstones somewhere that I'm going to fish out. Let's have a look. Here we are. I don't know if I've got anything red. I'm just going to look. No, there's none in there, but I have some other bits and pieces. Let me just have a look. I've got some gems in here. Oh, look, I've got some. Oh, there's a red Christmas pudding or a button of some. Oh, what is it? Oh, look, nice, beautiful bead. Look at that. Glass bead. Lampwork bead. Oh, got another red one here. Oh, yes. Star one there with a Christmas tree on. Oh, perfect. That one. Nice big green. Oh look, they even got one with Santa on. How stinking cute is that? Oh, you know, Fee does try her hardest. Beautiful beads. And look at that one. I do try my hardest to make things work for you all. Now, let me just see if I have any more. Perfect having those for Christmas though, wasn't it? And there's some more there. Glass lampwork beads. I hope someone's interested in it anyway. But yeah, grab it while you can. Because these don't last long, these kind of kits. There's only one, it's a one-off, it's a big... it's a big kit. There's lots in it for you to play with. And if you miss out, don't come crying to me. Because I always say, grab it while you can. And you'll find it on the shop. First come, first serve. Bye-bye for now.